Hello and welcome back. This is part two of a conversation which I had with Shailaja Vaman. This is a conversation that we had about our fears that we have about putting out our work and the sort of reactions which we get. अगर आपने part one नहीं देखा है तो it will be linked. So yeah, watch part one first, and this is part two. So here we go. Yeah, so I'm reading this book called Show Your Work, and usme they have this thing. It was like, I don't know the exact person. I don't remember the person's name, but usme he gave the theory that 90% of the work that you do will be crap, and only 10% of it will be good. But to figure out what that 10% is, you need social interaction. Like, you need other people to kind of tell you what that 10% is.
Yeah.
'Cause you can't filter out through the crap by yourself, basically.
तूने ना और डरा दिया मुझे क्यों
क्यों? What did I do?
नहीं मुझे नहीं डरा
No, I'm just saying, like, see, think about it. Everything that you write won't be good, right? There will be those one or two pieces which you also find very amazing, or like कभी कभार ऐसे भी हो जाता है कि like something that you don't really like, you're like just बकवास है ऐसे ही डाल दिया, people like that a lot.
exactly
So like it's like it's also like your what you think is good won't be what the audience thinks as good. So you need to like sort of just put out everything and see whatever like gets the traction.
चल देखते हैं तो मैं तुझे डेडलाइन देती हूँ तू मुझे डेडलाइन दे दो and then we both will put it out.
And what are we going to do on this deadline?
We are going to publish our articles, whether it's a blog idea, whether it's a poem, whether it's a story, whether it's a book with 10 chapters in it or something like that. But we're going to publish it. We'll be each other's support system. Let's see what criticism
If someone comments you suck, then you can send tears to me and I will send you virtual tissue on WhatsApp.
नहीं यार हम एक काम करते हैं wherever we are publishing this, okay, I'll be your support system, so whoever comes and criticizes under yours,
Could reply.
I'll just reply thank you. You come on the point and you reply thank you. We'll see कितना है क्या हो रहा है, and then we will see whether we want to publish the next onwards from there on.
Yeah. But yeah, it's like the thing of like, you know that you have to improve and you need the time to improve, but like
no, I mean if we are really, like, for example, yes, I know, like, we might be joking about it, but if we want to really improve on whether our writing skills and stuff, unless we put it out there, unless we are the only readers for that particular work, we are not going to know whether we are doing a good job, whether we need to improve our work, like writing style, or whether it has to do with our, the way we are phrasing it, or what kind of words we are using it, who we are actually, attracting, who is the audience who's reading it, what kind of, impact it's making. Unless we post it, we're never going to know it. Like, jokes aside, I know that also, but it's just that, it's scary sometimes. Like, you get very josh, like complete josh to do it, okay? You will sit down, you will type out everything. The day when it comes to posting, you kind of get like, karu ya na karu, karu ya na karu. So you end up like, contemplating everything in your mind, like क्या होगा, ये क्या सोचेगा, ये जो मेरे फेसबुक फ्रेंड के इस लिस्ट में है वो क्या सोचेगा.
Like that one person you have added also comes to your mind. It's like, ये इंसान क्या सोचेगा.
And not only that, you have so many family members also on the Facebook. So मेरे मम्मी के ताया जी के फूफा के whatever son, what is he going to think about my post, or someone
exactly.
long distance cousin, what is she going to tell her mother about my post?
Exactly, yeah.
And I'm like, mom should not be like, why did you go and post it? If my mom comes and asks me that, like, बकवास था क्यों पोस्ट किया, अगर मम्मी ऐसे बोलती ना मैं लिखना छोड़ दूंगी. because it impacts, it kind of
Mm-hmm.
thinks, oh, my mom also thinks it's bakwas, then why should I do it, kind of thing. You become demotivated completely because of that. But I think we should give it a try. At least
Yeah.
you
At
start
least
trying.
you क्या होता है? We should give it a try. By that I mean you. Together, you are we, all by yourself.
नहीं, at least you क्यों बोला? क्योंकि तुम younger हो. We'll try yours first, trial and error. then मेरे को आते हैं.
I forgot what I was gonna say. हाँ, I was gonna say like, but लिखते वक्त भी ऐसे like I don't really a lot of the times because I know that I'm going to put it up. I don't start writing because of that as well. Because आप लिखते हो तभी आप उस expectation से लिखते हो कि वो वहाँ कहीं पे भी डालने जितना अच्छा हो. So when you write with that expectation, तो मतलब एक तो I don't start writing first of all. I just keep thinking about it. मैं actually लिखती नहीं हूँ, and लिखने के बाद भी I read it and I'm like, this is not like kind of what you expected from yourself. You don't match that.
I just remember you made me promise end of May you send me a piece. It's still sitting there on my laptop. I don't even have
I
the
also
guts to
forgot
send
about it. I should put things like these in my calendar, like pressurized childhood. Today is the day to bully her. But yeah, because it's
Yeah.
like काफी
No,
बार I think about a lot of things and I'm like, oh, this is such a good idea. And then because मैं उस expectation से लिखती हूँ कि मुझे ये convey करना है. And when I actually write it and it doesn't convey that, or if it isn't as good as I thought it would be.
I thought you wrote one of the articles which for your university, am I right? That you had put it on WhatsApp and you wanted us to go through it. What was that article about?
Which one?
Hold on. I will find
I've
it.
written 2-4 on a place called Medium.
नहीं, ये वाला. English communication. Language के ऊपर.
हाँ, that I published.
Where did you publish?
It's a where? See, I have no audience.
Where did you publish? You said it's for university. Where did you publish?
No, I published कभी तो no. कब का I published about learning languages, no?
हाँ.
हाँ.
वो अच्छा था यार, वो article बहुत in depth था with your thinking.
It's on a thing. It's on a website called Medium, which is sort of like
अच्छा.
YouTube for writers. Like you can just post whatever you want, and like if people read it, like a lot of people read it, you can actually get money from it as well. So a lot of people like post on it as an everyday
Oh, it's a
thing.
platform called Medium.
Medium. I can share it with you afterwards.
I was today years old when I found out there's a platform called Medium. I've been thinking that people post it in their blogs and then they share their blogs,
Yeah, they do that as well. So कुछ लोगों का
Yeah.
अपना website होता है, but
हाँ.
like I also had a blog and I had built my own website and stuff, and it's like too much money for maintenance, especially when no one's reading and you're not getting money. So then I started putting on Medium because there's no cost for it.
Yeah, link page though.
I got from 2 of my articles combined, I got 0.03 cents, and I'm very proud of the money I made.
High five. That's good.
Yeah, I'm gonna start investing my money because 0.03 is a very big amount.
See, अब देखो, you're getting out there, you are publishing it. I'm still scared.
But see, publishing doesn't matter because like I'm not sharing it. I'm like, कोई देखो मत. मैंने मतलब most of my family doesn't know. Most in the sense other than my parents and like एकदम जो close cousins है or those people. A lot of my friends don't know. You will not see it anywhere on my Instagram. I will not put it on like. I just don't share it with people.
No,
Or
I
even
think-
this
I
channel itself, I've not shared with people that it exists.
No, I think you should start doing it. Especially your
I also think so, but doesn't mean I will, no?
नहीं यार, मैं बोल रही हूँ वीडियो के ऊपर ताकि you get like a virtual promise from you that you're putting that language wala that you have published on Medium, you're sharing it on your Instagram and you're asking people to go and read it so that you get more than 0.03 cents on it. I don't care, go and do that.
I have a separate LinkedIn account just for my writing, and I shared on that as well. But I only have 2 connections on that account, so that helped a lot. And one of them is my dad. So yeah. But I was reading Aji that like they were talking about like we always only share the end result कि जो आप लिख रहे हो वही share करते हो. We never think of sharing the process because we think that people don't care, but people only don't care because they've never seen it before. So like you
Yeah.
wouldn't like show yourself writing, or you wouldn't show like your
Like,
what your first draft looked like and what the final product looked like.
for example, J.K. Rowling got rejected by so many people, but we only see the end result where Harry Potter, 8 books have come out, and that's it. That's what we see. We don't see how much she struggled, what kind of ideology she had, whether she wanted to share it or not. We never know about
Yeah.
it. It's just that वो hit हो गया, तो हम बोल रहे हैं यार, she's like awesome writer.
Yeah.
Like for most of my authors, I'm pretty sure they would have gone through the same mindset that we are going through. It's just that I don't think they would have
They
speculated as
persisted.
much as us. Yeah, they would have just gone out there. They were like, rejection hai, chalega. They would have gone with it. It's just that we are contemplating a lot of things in our mind,
Like,
and we are
are we
imagining that,
overthinking this?
yes,
Good
we are.
conversation. Okay, now I'm very motivated. Great conversation.
नहीं, क्योंकि I think we are overthinking it, and we are putting in our minds, we are actually planning out scenarios which might not even happen.
It's
We
kind of like the
just planning it.
spotlight effect, you know, the way you think like, because obviously you're the person that you care about the most, so you kind of look at the world in that way as well, and like really nobody cares about you.
यार,
But
अभी
like,
जब तुम बोल रही थी ना that like you have published it on Medium and people will read it. I don't have more than 2 connections on LinkedIn. I'm like, we think too much about ourselves that we publish it. Like, all the people
कोई नहीं
are
पढ़ता
like,
like वो भी मेरा like that's also one of the things in publishing कि like क्यों मैं the last post that I put up on Instagram, it's a very long post, and but I've just put up one sentence from it as the like photo पे. So people just read that one quote, they didn't read the whole thing. So it's like, why am I putting so much effort and putting so much things into this? Like कोई नहीं पढ़ने वाला. Like,
नहीं, वो भी है, वो भी है कि हम demotivate हो जाते हैं when people don't respond the way we are doing. But the scared thing that we are talking about, we think that the whole world is like going to pause for a minute and then going to come all to white paper and going to put the spotlight and say, आप पूरा वर्ड पढ़ो, जो लिखा है पढ़ो, इसको क्रिटिसाइज करो. नहीं होने वाला है, पता है मुझे नहीं होने वाला है, मगर फिर भी हम डर रहे हैं,
yeah,
पता नहीं क्यों.
because if you see someone else in your connections doing the same thing, like you wouldn't really give too much attention to it or think too much about it. But
Yeah.
like, because you don't look at yourself the same way that you look at other people, it's very different.
Yeah.
Like
No,
if
it is also depending on how we look at other people. Like for example, if you go and post something on Instagram, like all your poems, I go and read it and then I go and comment on it because like I know you and I know that it's a very good, a piece to write, and whatever I'm reading, I like it. So I'm just going and reading it. Not everyone's going to do that for sure. It's only going to be the ones who are close to you. So this whole thing about being scared, I think we should be only scared of the people who are really going to go and read it, who's going to be our parents, our sisters, our closest friends or cousins or whoever it is, and that's it. I
yeah,
don't
it's like
think the
those
world
people that will come back and say it to you, like not just online, they will like, because they will literally come into your like, yeah, they live with you or whatever, or just even if like दूर के रिश्तेदार है, you will run into them at some point and they will like, if they bring it up and then you're like, मेरे को नहीं पता, मेरे को माफ कर दो, छोड़ दो please.
यार अगर अच्छा होता है ना तो we kind of gloat over it. ओ मैंने कर दिया, देखो ऐसे कॉलर उठा देंगे. अगर अच्छा नहीं है ना then we are like, okay ये टॉपिक हो गया, नहीं, no, that's what we do. So it's kind of like it's our mindset
Yeah.
also sometimes. But I think like you said, when you published on Medium and मैं पूछ रही हूँ कहाँ है,
I'm pretty
still haven't
sure the
seen it.
link that I sent you is of Medium. Like the one that you read
No,
itself
you
might.
You sent me in a
Message.
Word document.
Ah, okay.
तूने वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट में भेजा and then I circled like मैंने grammar Nazi कर दिया उसमें.
But see,
मैंने
that
बोला
I
यार
asked for. I asked for that, so that's different.
अभी देखा था पिक्चर में मैंने ग्रामर Nazi पे कर दिया and then थोड़ा complaining about it.
No, but I asked you particularly to do that, right? So it's different. And like, because a lot of the times I don't proofread my own work. I make other people do it because मैं पढ़ूंगी तो भी I can't detect it because I have seen it for so long that I can't detect those mistakes. Like, my brain automatically corrects the mistakes that I made even like if I see them.
Yeah, true.
So it's
Because
like,
we have typed it, so we think it's right, correct. We won't see the mistake in it or
because
whether we
you
have
know what
missed
it's
something.
supposed to be, so you read it from that point of view. What the other person doesn't know what the other half of the sentence is going to be, so they read it from like a different point of view.
Yeah, true. तो वो करना है. And like when you said that you have published it, I'm like, how come I don't know? I haven't seen it in the link. I should go support her more, and I'm telling her, oh, we should be scared to do this. Like मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. So either one thing is there, we are scared. That is, we're scared of all the thoughts which are running in our head, and that's why we're not publishing. Or we are publishing, no one is coming and reading it.
You know, after this conversation, I promise you, please make me stick to this. I will put the link of that article on my WhatsApp का status.
Done. मैं तुझे follow up करूँ, for sure.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me. It was really nice. It was a great, great conversation. It was supposed to be semi-formal, which it was. I would say more informal than anything, and people will never see us laughing because that's what I'm going to edit out. I'm also going to edit out high fives. And thank you so much. Any parting remarks? Any parting remarks that you shall have?
You should not edit out the high fives because that's something that we.
Is that your parting remark, to not edit out high fives?
No, okay. Yeah. Thank you for having me and giving me the honor to come on your video and to speak my mind off. We have similar thoughts, and I think we should start pushing each other to go and publish our articles. Maybe, yes, that's what we should do. At the end of this video, I think there's something, a small encouragement is there that I'll go and publish my articles. And maybe you will go and read it and you will let me know how it is. So we will see what.
I'll correct your grammar mistakes. I'll always be there.
Done.
To summarize this conversation, we are scared of people judging our work, of people judging us based on our work, and people sort of confronting us with criticism, especially when it's criticism that we agree with, because that's when you're like, oh, I know I'm bad, and kind of you don't want to be told that you're bad, because improving takes time, and like that criticism is not something always that you can like work on immediately. So those are the kind of things that we're scared of. We also have to remember that our work, a lot of it will be bad, but we also have to put out the bad work for the good work to get the recognition, and like not recognition, just the appreciation that it deserves, I'd say. I mean, all of these things jo humne baat ki, it's not something new, I would say. It's like I knew all of those things. It was just like a very much needed reminder that no one really cares about us, and we're just overthinking all of this, and no one really reads our work, so we just should not like put so much thought into what we're posting or what we're doing. We should just do it, because in the end no one really cares, or they won't care for more than like a few seconds.
So वही है. पता नहीं तुझे information मिला भी नहीं इस वीडियो के लिए.
See, I also don't know, because I was just talking. अब मेरे को editing में पता चलेगा. This is going to be like half of the video. Oh, you should go side में. Go, come here. थोड़ा ऊपर हाथ. Now give high five. High five.